Wishing a good day to all my friends. Welcome. Today you will join us with the 60-second design of our website design course. Let's start. First, click on the plus mark at the top of the screen and open a new tab. Next, type glitch.com in the address bar and click the enter button. Now you have entered the Glitch website. Now click on the plus mark on the screen again. Open another tab and visit the dpcode.lk website. Click on lesson number 243. Click on the Start Project button. Now we have entered the project. Let's make this page editable by clicking the Remix button on the top right side. When you click on the preview below and open the preview pane, you can see the preview on the right side of the window. First, change the name of the project according to the name of today's lesson. Go to the panel on the left and click Settings. Now, I click Edit Project Details and type 60-second lesson DP code where it says Project Name. Now click on the Save button. You can see that the changed project name is displayed on the left side. You all know about Gravity. Today, let's learn to create a bouncing ball game using the concept called Gravity. I will open my HTML file first. Look, I have already put the title Bouncing Ball Game on the page and linked it with the p5.js library and JavaScript file. Let's go to our Java file. Okay, first of all, declare the variables before creating the functions. First, create a variable called balls and add two empty square brackets saying equal. To give the curvature value of the ball, create another variable called radius and give it a value of 50px. As you may know, the average gravity of our Earth is about 9.8 meters per square second. We need to give a value to the gravity here that is smaller than the normal value. For that, I create another variable called g and give it a value of 0.2. Since it's a game, give a score by creating a value called score in the fourth line. Okay, I have created the variables that I need. Now, let's go to the setup function. Create the function called setup from the sixth line and create the canvas in this way. Create canvas, open brackets 1200, 800, close bracket, semicolon. Now give the parameters to create the ball in the middle of the canvas this way. Ball, open bracket, width /2, height /2, radius, close bracket, semicolon. Next, come to the 10th line and create the function called ball. Now, inside the brackets, mention the parameters as x, y, r to give the position of the ball. Now, I need to give the speed for a random function to make the ball bounce. First, make the required horizontal speed range b underscore x speed equal random, open brackets -1, 5, close bracket, semicolon. Since we want the ball to bounce vertically, give a speed range greater than the horizontal speed range as y speed. b underscore y speed equal random, open brackets -1, 10, close bracket, semicolon. Finally, create an array called balls for these parameters and variables and type them inside the method called push. Ball.push, open brackets, open square brackets, x, y, r, b underscore x speed, b underscore y speed, close brackets, semicolon. Okay, now I'm going to make the draw function. From the 15th line, create the function called draw and first set the background color to black. Let's open our page in a new tab from the preview in the preview below. Okay, we can see that the background color of our canvas is black. Next, come to line 17 and create an array to represent the balls by using a for loop for open brackets var I equal 0 semicolon I smaller than balls dot length semicolon I plus plus close brackets. Now open curly brackets and create the downward movement where both gravity and the vertical speed of the ball combines. Balls within square brackets I within square brackets 4 plus equal g semicolon. In the next two lines, update speed so that it will increase for the horizontal position and the vertical position. Balls within square brackets I within square brackets 0 plus equal balls within square bracket I within square brackets 3 semicolon. Balls within square brackets I within square brackets 1 plus equal balls within square brackets I within square brackets 4 semicolon. Now we need to check whether the ball bounces on the upper or lower edge of the canvas, or if the vertical height at which it bounces is higher than the height of the canvas, or if it is less than 0. So create two if statements for the ball to bounce back like this. If open brackets balls within square brackets I within square brackets 0 greater than width and balls within square brackets I within square brackets 0 less than 0 close brackets. Open curly bracket ball within square brackets I within square brackets 3 star equal -1 semicolon. If open brackets balls within square brackets I within square brackets 1 greater than height and balls within square brackets I within square brackets 1 less than 0 close brackets. Balls within square brackets I within square brackets 4 star equal -1 semicolon open curly bracket. I now give stroke within bracket 0 semicolon in the 27th line and draw a black outline for the ball. After that, I will give yellow as the fill color for the ball. Now, I will come to the 19th line and give the size and position of the ball this way. Ellipse open brackets balls within square brackets I within square brackets 0, comma, balls within square brackets I within square brackets 1. Let's represent x and y coordinates of the center of the circle like this and add another comma, give two equal parameters where the width and height will be equal and end the for loop after we create the circle. Comma, balls within square brackets I within square brackets 2, comma, balls within square brackets I within square brackets 2, semicolon, close curly brackets. At the bottom, fill the color of the score with white and type the text with x and y position like this. Text, open brackets, open inverted comma, score, colon, close inverted comma, plus score, comma, 150, comma, 50, close brackets, semicolon. After that, I set the text size to 35px for the score. Let's go to our preview page and reload the page. You can see that the yellow ball bounces on the canvas and our game score is also displayed in white. Okay friends, in this game, when I click on the bouncing ball, I want it to separate into two smaller balls and bounce on the canvas. Also, I need the game score to increase. Come to the 34th line and create the mouse click empty brackets function and create a for loop for the balls in an array this way. For open brackets var I equals 0 semicolon I less than balls dot length semicolon I plus plus close brackets. Next, we calculate the distance between the position of the ball and the position where our mouse clicks on the canvas and calculate the variable in this way. var I equal dist open brackets mouse x, comma mouse y, comma balls within square bracket I within square bracket 0, comma balls within square brackets I within square brackets 1 close bracket semicolon. Now, if variable I is less than the radius of the circle, it means if the mouse is clicked within the radius, we create an if statement in line 37 to create a new ball from the same ball at a distance of 25px. If open brackets I less than radius close brackets open curly brackets ball open brackets mouse x, comma mouse y, comma 25 close brackets semicolon ball open brackets mouse x, comma mouse y, comma 25 close brackets semicolon. Here we will get two circles as the result. Here friends, when the previous ball is gone and two new balls are formed instead, use the function as shift empty brackets to remove the initial ball from the array. Type ball.shift empty brackets, semicolon in the 40th row. In this way, if the player can successfully click on the ball, type score plus plus semicolon in the next line to increase by 1 in the same way. This way, in line 42, when the process of creating two balls is finished, break the array at the end and give a statement as break semicolon. Friends, now our bouncing ball game page is ready. Look at this. When I click on the ball, I get more points. Isn't it good? So, the next day, just like what I brought to my little friends today, I hope to bring a new lesson that will teach you how to make a game that you like. So, we will end our lesson here for today. WhatsApp your design to me on the phone number note 7681252244. Tell your friends about the design. Check out this app to send to me as well as to your friends. And one more thing, join the DP Coding School Telegram group. Try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. Stay connected with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you are interested in starting DP Coding Clubs in any school that has computer labs, please send a request through the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. Okay, let's meet again with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a good day.